Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the measurement of errors, in which first we will discuss about absolute error. Absolute error in measurement of a physical quantity is the magnitude of difference between the true value and individual measured value of the quantity. If A mean is mean or the true value of a measured quantity, and AI is the value of quantity measured in ith observation, then absolute error, which is delta AI, is calculated as true value minus measured value. For first observation, it will be delta A1 is equals to A mean minus A1. For second observation, it will be delta A2 is equals to A mean minus A2. And similarly for nth observation, it will be delta AN is equals to A mean minus AN. Let's have an example. We know that the value of small g, which is acceleration due to gravity, is 9.8 meter per second square. And suppose we are performing an experiment to calculate the value of g, and we find the value of g as 9.6 meter per second square in our first observation. I have taken it as g1 because of our first observation. Then the absolute error in the measurement of acceleration due to gravity in our first observation will be equal to 9.8 minus 9.6, which will be equal to 0.2 meter per second square. Suppose in our second observation, if you find the value of g as 9.5 meter per second square, then the value of the absolute error will be equal to 9.8 minus 9.5, which will be equal to 0.3 meter per second square. Now our next topic is mean absolute error. It is the arithmetic mean of magnitudes of absolute error in all measurement of a quantity. Suppose that we are taking n measurements of a quantity, then delta A mean will be equal to mod of delta A1 plus mod of delta A2 dot 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 up to mod of delta AN whole upon n, where n is the number of observation. So it can be written as 1 upon n sigma I is equals to 1 to n mod of delta AI. Now coming to the third, that is relative error. Relative error, or also known as fractional error, and it is a ratio of mean absolute error, which we have calculated earlier, to the true value of measured quantity, which is a mean, So the relative error, which is denoted by delta A, is equal to delta A mean upon A mean. And at last we have percentage relative error. When this relative error is expressed in percentage, then the error is known as relative percentage error. The delta A percentage is equals to delta A mean upon A mean into 100%.